Hey guys, so the only way how you can skip the Valorant penalty, or like how you can reduce it, is that when you're not going to be AFK. There isn't right now any other way on how you can actually like how to have the Valorant penalty completely skipped down. You have to wait. But what you can do, you can play a bunch of Spike Rush without leaving. It will reset on its own then. And so this is pretty much it. So try not to be AFK, and the only way how we can do it right now is that playing a Spike Rush without leaving. So that's pretty much it. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.